Yesterday we have talked about our textbook, yeah, and today I would like to scroll it and go to the text unit. Once again, warm, hearty welcome all of you. 10 class. Our content are 19. We have 19 content. And okay. Now I need one student to recite it, unit 1. Who is ready? Only topic.
Ma'am, shall I?
Okay, yeah, sure.
Giving, withholding, and reporting permission.
Very good. Giving, withholding, and reporting permission. It means
how the way how we greet others or how we take permission with others for doing any kind of work or any kind of activities.
very good. Okay, here are 4 persons. Can you recognize it? Where are these people from? First, can you guess? Anyone?
Ma'am, first from other countries, of different countries.
Yeah, they are from different countries and European country, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and he?
Arabian.
Saudi Arabian, yeah? Muslim. Or, am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And third?
Japanese.
Japanese, Chinese.
Yeah, Mongolian.
Japanese, Chinese.
Very good.
Mongolian?
Yeah, it means Mongolian, yeah. And the third?
Nepali.
Nepali.
Yeah. Bahadur Sai. Very good. And have you guessed? Sound is coming. Please mute yourself. Within double device. Okay. We can observe their clothes. Yeah. How do we know? By observing their clothes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Sound problem. तिनीहरुले भन्नु नि माइक अफ गर्नु म्युट गर्नले.
Mute yourself. Otherwise, I have to remove you. Mute yourself, please. Who is there? Ankit Kuswa. We have to talk also. So mute yourself. Only one-way communication is not good in our class. So we have to talk. We have to discuss. Then only the class become fruitful. Otherwise not. So please mute yourself, my dear. You are well known about device. Okay, 2 number question. There is one question for you. Can you recite it? 2 number question. Unmute yourself and recite it, read it. 2 number question. You haven't. Yeah, 2 number question.
Describe your dining etiquette. It is different from the Japanese people.
Very good. Describe your dining etiquette. It means your rules of dining time, eating time. Yeah, system. Can you say what are the rules? What is the system of your dining etiquette? We have read it in 9th class. We have discussed in 9th class our rules of our dining. Yeah, we have to wash our hand before have our meal. We must not talk while eating. Yeah, we must not. It is not allowed to drink milk and meat together. Please, my dear, tell something. I want to hear from you. While eating time, don't use mobile, don't watch movie, TV, television, yeah, laptop. Others, what your mother used to say.
Excuse ma'am, can you please repeat again? I was out from the class.
Oh, describe your dining etiquette means while eating time, what are the rules and regulation?
Ma'am,
for example, we have to wash our hand, yeah, before we
eat.
Yeah, eat. And it is not allowed to speak while eating, yeah. And
Yes, ma'am.
it is forbidden, totally strictly forbidden to drink glass of water, milk as well as meat together. Yeah, milk, milk and MEAT meat together. It is forbidden. Yeah, likewise, other I want to hear from you. मम्मीले खाना खाने बेलामा यो नगर त्यो नगर यस्तो गर्नु हुँदैन के भन्नुहुन्छ? Yeah, let's see.
She won't late to watch TV or anything while eating.
Very good.
And she was washing hand before eating.
Very good.
But,
Next. Here are 78 students.
She won't late to do other activities together, like talking with others or doing like sometimes we do our homework while eating, but she didn't allow such things.
Yeah. Good.
Ma'am, that's it.
Very good. Thank you very much. Now here are some questions. How do the Canadians greet each other? How do you know how do the Canadians greet each other? Do you know how long does it take from Latin America to complete their lunch?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Where do people take off their shoes when entering a restaurant? Especially Japanese people. And
Yes, ma'am.
Japanese
I'm
people.
outside the door.
Yeah. Okay. Now here are our students. You all are from multicultural, multi-ethnic, multi-religions. So I like to hear from you how you greet to your respected people. A old guide to good manner. Yeah, all the things are good manner. How not to behave badly about My dear, who is ready to recite this line traveling?
Ma'am, shall I try?
Yeah, why not? Of course.
Traveling to the corners of the country is getting easier and easier. We live in a global village, but this doesn't mean that we all behave in the same way. Different peoples of different countries have their own way of life. And it means like now as we all know that we all the peoples belongs to different countries, different cultures and religions, and we all have our own way to live. We all have our own lifestyle according to our religion, about our culture, and we follow such things to behave with others, like
Yes.
greetings.
I mean, it's simply that we have diversity in us.
Yeah. And if it is known to us, it is quite easy for us to move here and there. Yeah, travel here and there also.
Yes, ma'am.
If we know otherwise, we might be caught, yeah, by police. Okay. यदि हामीलाई सबै देशको कहीँ जानु छ भने त्यो देशको रुल्स थाहा भएन भने हामीलाई समात्न सक्छ. Yeah. Okay. Now we are in greetings. We Nepalese people do greet like, how do we greet? Simply
Wishing
By doing namaste.
Yeah, doing namaste
Namaskar.
by
By
joining
touching,
our palms.
Joining
by
hands
touching
and
their
saying namaskar.
feet, touching their feet.
Very good. By joining our palms together at the chest, yeah, we keep our hands at the chest and slightly we bow our head, yeah. Slightly we bow our head.
Yes, ma'am, yes.
Very good. Now, I'm sure here is Muslim. Yeah, I want to search. Okay, please share about your culture. Share about your culture. You don't want to share? Okay, begin Sangbo. Sangbo is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell. How do you greet?
Ooh. We join our hands together at near the chest and say Lasso Fafula.
Lasso Fafullah, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
It's mean namaste, swagat cha or what?
Yes, ma'am, that's.
Very good. Samsad Hussain. Samsad Hussain. Where is Samsad Hussain? Are you listening me? How do you greet? Dilasa Mukhtar.
He's not opening his mic. Ma'am, he's not opening his mic.
I think he is going to sleep.
Yes,
My
ma'am.
name is.
Is here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Samsad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sir. How do
When
you greet to your respected person?
When we meet at the first time, shaking hands each other and saying Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And then the people reply Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Very good. Very good. Yes, this is the things we want to hear. Okay, thank you very much. Dilasa Mukhtan. Unmute yourself, Dilasa.
Miss Dilasa Rayo.
Dilasa Rai. Okay, Dilasa Rai. Rai. Very good. From Rai culture, we are going to listen.
In Rai culture, people say namaste like Sevani. Sevani.
Namaste.
Yes. ma'am.
Sevaru.
Sevani.
Sevani.
Yes.
Very good. And in the reply of Sevani, what they replied? Same
I don't-
Sevani. Yeah.
Yes. I don't know, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Shrestha. I need one Shrestha. I am searching Shrestha from Newar culture. Yeah.
Explain about
Which Shrestha? No one. Okay, Yadav. Yadav. From Yadav culture. Sumis Kumar Kushwaha is raising his hand to tell. Very good. Okay, Sumis Kumar Kushwaha.
No, ma'am, by mistakenly it has been done.
Yuvraj Seti Sital. How do you greet? Yuvraj. Then Nuri, be ready. After Yuvraj, Nuri.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yuvraj, are you here? Yuvraj Seti Sital. It is quite new surname for me, so I'm asking him.
We greet by joining our arms and touching our elders' feet.
Sorry, please once again, pardon. Yuvraj,
We
yeah.
greet by joining our arms by doing namaste.
Okay, at same as others. Very good. Nuri, thank you, Yuvraj. Nuri,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. Share your ideas.
About greeting.
Yeah. How do you greet?
We meet each other. We say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. And in reply, it's Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. It means peace up to you. Peace be up to you.
Very good. How nice. Thank you. Rai Gurung. Is here any Gurung? Gurung. From Gurung culture? Christianity. Who belongs to Christianity? Yeah, Imon Rathala is belong to Newar. Yeah, I'm sure. Imon.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. How your mother greet to other and you?
Joining hands
Yeah.
and say Jodalpa.
Jojolappa. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Tare ma'am, I have heard Tare ma'am. Is it correct?
थाहा भएन म्याम
Okay, thank you. Jojolappa, very good. Others, please, if you want to, if there is something new from these very things, you can unmute yourself and share.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I know about Christian culture.
very good. Please share.
They say Jai Masi.
Jai Masi, very good. Jai Masi. Do you know what is the meaning of Jai Masi?
It means they are welcoming them in the corner of their heart.
Very good, very good. How nice, yeah. All the cultures, all the caste themes is the same, yeah. Peace, happy, heartily welcome. Very good. Is there any new thing, please?
Ma'am,
Yes.
we says गोर लागै छियै.
Good lagiche. Very good. I want to hear those very things. Very good. Good lagiche. It means, please explain it. Good means pau, yeah? Putta, yeah.
Yes, miss. It means I touch your foot.
Yeah, very good. Very good. How nice. Yeah. Thank you. Others?
The reply of God is blessing like a small person
Yeah.
is खुश रह.
Khus raho. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yeah, wonderful. Khus raho. Others? Yeah, very nice. Ram Ram. Yeah. When we have read these texts, at same like these texts, we have read in 9th class. Have you remembered or not? Yes, sir.
Ma'am, Radhe Radhe.
Yeah, Radhe Radhe. Yeah, we have talked. Others? Ram Ram. Yeah. Okay.
Ma'am, Pranam.
Pranam. Very good. Very good. Darshan. Dhog. Yeah. Yes, I want to hear these very things here.
Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Jai Gurudev. Yeah. Yes. Others? We only talked today about greeting. We want to read this passage. This passage is only for knowledge. But these very things teach us our culture and which is able to touch our heart. And we have to know also these very things. Yeah, others? Please, my dear, read this take. Greeting. Recite this greeting paragraph.
Greetings.
Yeah.
How should we behave when you meet someone for the first time? An American or Canadian shake your hand firmly while looking you straight in the eyes. In many parts of Asia, there is physical contact at all. In Japan, you should bow and more you respect the person, the deeper so you should bow. In Thailand, the greetings is made by pressing both hands together at the chest as if you are praying and bowing your head slightly. In both countries, eye contact is avoided as a sign of respect.
Very good. Yeah, how nice. All the greetings system is differ from one place to another, and one caste to another, one religions to another. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
I think you have understood this text. Yeah. So tomorrow
Yes.
we will study clothes and food and drink if it is possible. Clothes. So please be ready to share your particularly, typically religious clothes, all the names, note it and come tomorrow. Yeah. So that you can share your.
Okay, miss.
Okay, very good. Especially
Okay, miss.
Muslim people wearing what type of clothes wear in marriage ceremony, wedding ceremony, yeah, and other functions at the time of having meal, and others culture also like Christianity, yeah, Christian people, what kind of clothes they wear in their wedding, and others people, and at the time of meal, Hindu people, yeah, and Buddhist people. There are others also. So we will hear tomorrow. Yes, hear tomorrow about clothes, food and drink. At the time of food and drink, there are lots of things to share. Tarayan people, yeah, my dear Yadav students, Kusua students will share lots of things about this. I'm sure. And clothes, Nuri, there is a big responsibility to you. Please note it. What are these clothes name? Yeah, ask to your mother and write the name, and you have to share with us. And yeah, and with Muslim is already, yeah, and Christian began, I think.
Yes, I am Hindu.
Hindu, very good. Who belongs to Christianity?
Ma'am, I don't belongs to Christianity, but I can tell it.
Very good, very good. Resma will tell about Christianity tomorrow, about all the clothes, okay? Very good. You can search and write and describe. Very good. If there is any kinds of picture or slide, I will give you to share the screen, and you can show all the things also. Very nice. Thank you very much. And Muslim, Christian, yeah, Hindu. From Hindu culture, who will be ready?
Ma'am, shall I?
Yeah, Subiksha, very good. Tomorrow, your responsibility is to clear about Hindu. Okay. And Buddhist? हुनु पर्दैन, म भन्छु भन न, सर्च गर्ने त हो नि. Gagan, you want to? He is not speaking Nissal. Okay, I search one name, but net must be available there. Who want to be, who? First of all, I want to give Buddhist भनेपछि यो छ, के छ? Buddhist. I can't catch. Who belong to Tamang culture? Bigyan Sangbo raised his hand. Mistakenly or knowingly?
Knowingly, ma'am.
Okay, you, okay? Tomorrow
Yes,
you
ma'am.
will present. Very good, very good. Thank you. He is a good presenter also. I know. Okay, then this was for today. Thank you very much. Once again, thank you all of you. For tomorrow, I'm sure you will be ready. Now
Yes,
leave
ma'am.
the class and join another class.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, bye, ma'am.